Good morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Another edition of distance learning here. So let me let you know what we're doing today. We're going to continue with our unit on the Cold War. And if you remember, the Cold War, again, was just a competition between the Soviet Union and the United States that never totally heated up into war between the two, but there was definitely some tensions involved. One such tension you're going to look at today is the development of nuclear weapons by both sides. In fact, at its height, each country had thousands of nuclear weapons just sitting, waiting to be used, which obviously, can cause some serious tension. So what you're going to be doing today is you're going to be doing a quick writing prompt where you look at a video which does not want to load. There we go. It's about 2.5 minutes long, and it's I think a pretty interesting and incredible video because it shows every nuclear bomb explosion in the history of the world. So clearly we know that Japan was bombed twice at the end of World War II. It was the only time nuclear bombs were used for war purposes. But remember, it's a big competition. So you got the Soviet Union over here, you got the United States over here. They're blowing up bombs all over the world to test them, they say. Just really, though, to show the other one how big and mighty their nuclear bomb arsenal was. So take a look at that video. And then you're going to, so this is the lesson. You're going to, you can see part 1, writing prompt. You're going to type your response here about, well, what stood out to you in that video? Was there anything that shocked or surprised you? And remember, we want to do complete sentences. Once you're done with part 1, you're going to read part 2. You're going to do part 2, which is a reading. It's a pretty short, easy reading about the nuclear arms race. You can see I bolded the words that the terms you want to make sure you know. Some of them you may recognize, like the Manhattan Project, remember, was the secret project to develop the nuclear bombs by America during World War II. Okay, so once you finish that reading, which again is relatively short, you're going to go here, part 3, where it says questions, Google form. You're going to click on the link. And once you click on the link, this will pop up. And there's 2 parts to this. Part 1 is a matching. You're basically going to see at the top key terms, MAD, which stood for Mutually Assured Destruction, ICBM, Intercontinental Ballistic Missiles. And on the side here, you're going to see some descriptions. And you're going to match the key terms up with the description. So where it says intercontinental ballistic missiles, missiles launched from long range, I would say, oh, that's ICBM. Click on it. Where it says mutually assured destruction, countries could destroy the other in case of attack. Well, oh, that's MAD. I'm going to click here. And then I'll work my way down. There's 6 terms to match up. And then once you're done with that, it won't let me go to the next part. But once you're done with that, there are 4 multiple choice questions to do. And again, these answers you will find in the reading itself. As always, and I hope you're aware of this because very few of you have actually visited me. I would love to see them. There is the ability to have a live video help from me during our class meeting time, which of course are on A days, Tuesdays and Fridays currently from 10:15 to 11:15 a.m. Please go ahead and click on this Google Meet link. You click here. I'll be sitting there waiting. Happy to help anybody who needs the help. So please take me up on that, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend.